Hello, I'm Dan Kinzer, co-founder, Chief Operating Officer, and Chief Technology Officer for Navitas Semiconductor. Navitas means energy, and our company is committed to delivering sustainable, efficient energy solutions for the world. We've been partnered with TSMC since our founding in 2014 to bring this a new advanced technology, and we have brought it to many new products that are currently shipping today in the form of gallium nitride power ICs. And we'll tell you about that as we go through the presentation. The vast majority of our energy that we use today comes from sources that are dug from the ground, such as coal, natural gas, oil, and uranium for nuclear power. A small percentage is coming from renewable sources like hydroelectric, solar, and wind. From those sources, we either transmit the electricity produced, or we move the fuels directly to be used, to be burned, to add carbon to the environment, and basically to lead to an unsustainable warming planet. What we want to see in the future is the vast majority of energy produced by renewable sources, generating clean electricity, which can be directly used for electrical loads as we convert the vast majority of energy consumption to clean electricity. And where we need to transmit that energy, it will be transmitted over high efficiency electrical transmission grids, such as HVDC transmission, using advanced power semiconductor devices. The enabling force behind a great deal of this transition is gallium nitride, a wide bandgap power semiconductor. This power semiconductor can withstand electric fields 10 times higher than silicon, and electrons can move twice as freely through the material. Given that, the input power required to drive this transistor, to switch this transistor, is 20 times less than silicon. This leads to systems that are 3 times smaller and lighter, that is, 3 times higher power density, and up to 40% of the energy that's wasted in conventional silicon-based systems can be preserved. For batteries, this means 3 times faster charging in the same size charger, and it can mean 20% lower system cost. Navitas is the #1 company in gallium nitride today. Our market share is #1 in a $13 billion potential market. We are in 5 of 5 of the top smartphone manufacturers and 4 out of 5 of the top laptop manufacturers, with the 5th currently in development. Up to now, out of 50 million units shipped, we have had no GaN-related field failures, and we are expanding into additional markets beyond the consumer electronics market, such as the data centers, solar power, and electric vehicles. Our lead times are short, and we have plenty of capacity. We have the #1 technology. We have a multi-year sustainable lead. We've got over 150 patents issued or in development. We have also developed a proprietary PDK for our GaN Power IC technology, which is unique and highly differentiated in the world from other companies that produce GaN power devices. We've created dedicated design centers for mobile, consumer applications, data center power electronics, and electric vehicles. We're the first company to offer a 20-year warranty on our products, and we're the first semiconductor company to introduce a sustainability report in power semiconductors. We also are the first semiconductor company to get a carbon neutral certification from a well-respected third-party company. In addition to that, our products save 4 kilograms of CO2 as we have calculated for each IC that we sell. In addition, our performance financially is strong. We had Q1 revenues of $6.7 million, 27% growth year on year. We're guiding $48 million for the total year. Our gross margin was over 44%. We are guiding to maintain margins in the 42% range and longer term to achieve margins in excess of 50%. Our Q2 revenue is expected to be in the $8 to $9 million range, and we currently have, due to our initial public offering, over $250 million in cash. Innovation is the key to everything that we do. As I mentioned, we have many patents in the basics of gallium nitride, especially fundamentals of gallium nitride power ICs, GaN power devices, GaN power packaging, and systems that take advantage of GaN technology. Our all-GaN process design kit is unique and brings great value in all of our products. We were awarded the Innovation Award at CES this year for our charger and adapter solutions, and for our new GaNFast with GaNSense technology, where we integrate current sensing and other sensing and protection features into our products. We have a major portfolio upgrade every year. We've advanced our rating from 650 volts to 700 volts with an 800 volt transient capability for high reliability and immunity to system perturbations. And we are sampling our high power products for the data center, solar, and EV markets. TSMC has been a critical GaN partner to me since even before the founding of Navitas, when I was the Chief Technology Officer at Fairchild. We initially started some work together. When we founded this company in 2014, I knew immediately that TSMC would be the partner that we would need to have. And we started developing our first GaN Power IC prototypes from the beginning of the company. We demonstrated the world's first all-GaN half-bridge prototype in 2015. And then for the years 2016 to 2018, we worked on reliability and manufacturability together with TSMC. In 2018, we released our first mass production product and started working on the applications and system design to enable our customers to use them. Since then, we have worked on significant cost reduction on the technology and introduced multiple generations of GaNFast products. Recently, we have offered our 20-year warranty on our products, and as mentioned, we've shipped over 50 million units with 0 field failures. And as we go forward, TSMC is committed to increasing their capacity and expanding wafer diameter in the future. Gene Sheridan, the CEO of Navitas, and I have worked on gallium nitride now for 20 years. We were the first to bring gallium nitride technology to International Rectifier, a company now acquired by Infineon Technology, largely for its GaN capabilities. In those years, we've spent a great deal of our time and energy on advancing the cause of gallium nitride, the manufacturing capability, reliability, and material science behind it, as well as capacity and cost. GaN is a very cost-effective technology because it starts with a low-cost silicon wafer. The critical step in GaN is the growth of the GaN layer on the silicon substrate. TSMC has taken that challenge and built an excellent 6-inch capability in Fab 2 in Hsinchu, and recently major new capacity investments in EPI have been introduced and approved at TSMC. TSMC is definitely the #1 in the world in GaN fabrication. And with that finished wafer, we then test, package, and final test and ship in advanced proprietary GaN Power IC packaging. Our yields are excellent. We have 0 GaN-related field failures. We have capacity commitments and excellent lead times for our customers. Here you can see some of our major commercial milestones over the last several years. After introducing the world's first GaN Power ICs, we introduced a number of reference designs, the world's smallest and densest power supplies. We generated multiple patents, and we've had wins with many customers, aftermarket customers, major OEMs, and you can see all the major names there where our products have been adopted. And just recently, our 20-year warranty and our perfect track record of 0 field failures. To show our deep appreciation to Vivo, our excellent customer, we granted this award of a representative wafer to them in recognition of receiving the 50 millionth defect-free product from Navitas Semiconductor. Navitas is the first semiconductor company to grant a 20-year warranty. This warranty is extended in order to take care of the needs for high reliability products in markets that you see here, such as solar, data centers, and electric vehicles. Navitas products are built on a strong foundation of reliability. We design for reliability. Not only is the power device itself extremely reliable, but we've integrated the drive, sensing, and protection features to make sure the device is well protected. By doing that, we have excellent component reliability track record as well as excellent system reliability track record. We test for reliability with proprietary production test methods that can weed out any device that shows signs of defectivity or weakness. Our GaN ICs are tested 400%. That is, every device is tested 4 times at different temperatures and under high frequency conditions. Our devices have a high transient drain voltage capability, 700 volts on regular transients and 800 volts on intermittent transients. We assure this by testing every part at 900 volts or higher. And we characterize our products for reliability exhaustively with JEDEC and AEC style testing for qualification, as well as highly accelerated tests to determine the failure rate and failure lifetime of our products. We also do extensive reliability monitoring, and large quantities of devices are tested for early life failures. We're a founding member of the JEDEC JC70.1 Test and Reliability Committee. And all of this leads to a tremendous reliability performance, with equivalent device hours of over 5.8 billion tested and a fit rate of 0.16 failures in 10 to the 9th device hours. So here it is by the numbers: 50 million shipped, 0 field failures, 192 billion field hours, 0.16 failures in 10 to the 9th hours, and 5.8 billion equivalent hours tested. A very strong result from a strong foundation. Many people wonder, how can Navitas achieve such a high reliability level in this new technology? We do this by a variety of means. For comparison, consider a silicon FET. It's been around for a while, it switches pretty slowly, and its frequency is very limited. Now you can go to a GaN transistor, what we call unprotected GaN, just a discrete device with 3 terminals. You have to have an external gate drive. This kind of part can be very sensitive to DVDT and layout, leading to transients on the gate that can be damaging. It can be sensitive and is very sensitive to electrostatic discharge. So this kind of product has unknown reliability track record. However, if you look at our GaNFast power ICs, we control the gate voltage internally. We drive it with internal devices. It's completely DVDT immune and layout insensitive. It has over 2,000 volts human body model electrostatic discharge capability, and the reliability is proven and robust. In addition to that, we released our GaNSense technology, where we have lossless current sensing, autonomous standby mode, an 800 volt maximum transient rating, 2 kV ESD, over temperature protection, and over current protection. This is the ultimate in system reliability. Our GaN technology is perfect for the emerging application space of ultra-fast chargers for mobile devices. This is a new and extremely fast-growing market, with a $1 billion opportunity in the next 3 years. In this market, phone manufacturers are providing for a full charge in less than 10 minutes, less than 20 minutes, up to 120 watts. There's a lot more potential for GaN ICs in these products, since they include both a power factor correction stage and a DC to DC converter stage. These devices have the world's highest power density. You can see the Xiaomi Note 11 Pro Plus, the Vivo IQ009 120 watt system, as well as the Redmi F1 Mercedes 120 watt and the Realme GT Neo 150 watt, showing that the trend in mobile chargers is to higher and higher power, faster and faster charging. This gallium nitride, high reliability and high performance in Navitas GaN power ICs is leading to a very solid financial growth trajectory, growing 7 times from 2019 to 2020, and then 2x from 2020 to 2021 to 2022, exponentially growing and with tremendous potential to continue this trend into the future. Beyond today's mobile chargers, we've introduced a product family that takes the power to a higher level, powering hundreds of watts of applications like game stations and motor controls, and pushing on up into server power and data center applications. The Power IC revolution continues, beginning with mobile chargers and adapters, going up into the world of ultra-fast charging, on up into consumer applications and game stations, monitors, all-in-one PCs, and penetrating into the solar, data center, and EV market. Many of our customers have made statements in support of gallium nitride and Navitas, things like GaN offers 10 times the frequency with significant cost advantages. It's the simplicity of driving, high speed, reliability, and compact form factor that Navitas offers. Navitas is a breakthrough technology partner and industry-leading GaN power IC company, in the words of our key customers. In addition to that, we put tremendous pride and a sense of accomplishment in our lead in providing sustainable power solutions for the world. Every GaNFast power IC saves 4 kilograms of CO2 into the environment. We've now shipped 50 million. We hope soon that can be 500 million or 5 billion and continue to save as much CO2 as we possibly can. We've introduced the first sustainability report in the power semiconductor industry, where we explain how we produce 4 to 10 times less CO2 in the manufacturing of our product and reduce the CO2 footprint of our customers' products by 28%. We are a certified carbon neutral company in total, and we are accelerating the transition from internal combustion engines to EV by 3 years over the next several decades with the introducing of GaN technology in electric vehicle power applications. In total, all of that GaN has the capability to save up to 2.6 gigatons per year of carbon emission by 2050. This is solving 10% of the world's problems. With that, a big thank you to TSMC for being our partner, for helping us and being part of creating this great solution for the world's energy problems and the world's carbon emission problems. And we look forward to many years ahead of collaboration and continuing to bring new and better technology to the world.